As shown, internet use for work research declined in 2024, while internet use for social media increased. So, hindi na for work research, scroll na lang kita sa social media. So, note that internet use for e-commerce and for availing government services, financial transactions was not available in 2019. So, may ara kita nga data dira, no? Okay. The next is, kay natoy ang access or usage. Next is for the ownership naman of ICT devices, no? Proportion of households that own ICT devices in Region 6 with comparisons for 2019 and 2024. So it is in percentage. So as shown by the slide, in 2024, most Filipino households owned cellular phones at 85.1% and television at 58.7%. Note that for ownership of ICT devices, a household may have more than one type of ICT devices. So ginapamangkot natin kung may harap sila nga amo sini nga ICT devices, although regardless o kung pila ka kilo ang ina nga ICT devices, basta may available lang. Proportion of households owned television declined by 19.1%. So nagamay na lang yan may TV sa balay, no? Duway na may shadow nagbakal, no? Basta nakalagubak ay naging pakayo. While households owned cellular phone had a slight decrease to 85.1% in 2024 from 85.7%. So basically, do pareho lang pero nagnubo pa. So possibly, kay diri sa aton nga cellular phone, hindi na diri included ang tablets. Ang tablet na to dito to sa personal computer na include. So possible nga ang mga tablets ang mga ginagamit nila as mobile devices. So diri naka-affect diri sa aton nga cellular phones. Okay, so ay may ari din nga something no interesting. Ang aton nga audio components, stereo, and karaoke and videoke nag-increase. So nadamo na may videoke sa mga balay nila, no? Kay subong dugang may nga boxes niya takot na sa TV yung pwede ka naka-videoke, no? So most probably ini ang isa man naka reflect diri sa aton nga na-capture sa aton nga ICT devices na result. Next is for mass media household subscription. So proportion of households with subscriptions. About 47% of households subscribe to mobile broadband, mobile postpaid plans, and prepaid mobile subscription in 2024. Additionally, proportion of households with cable subscriptions increased by 3.8 percentage points, while subscription to broadband internet, fiber internet or DSL increased by 6.3 percentage points in 2024. Note that satellite broadband, home Wi-Fi, mobile subscriptions, video and music streaming were not covered in 2019 plan. So makita natin dira kung ano kadamo ang mga subscriptions sa aton nga mga mobile providers. Okay, so I think that was the last slide of my presentation on the mass media.